Howdy, I'm Wally the Washer from Dripping Springs, Texas. Come along and see what fun things I'm washing today. Hey kids, it's Wally the Washer from Dripping Springs, Texas. Today, we're gonna learn how to clean up after arts and craft time and make it super fun. First, let's start by putting away all the markers, crayons, and glue sticks. Find their proper places and make sure the caps are on tight. Next, let's pick up all the paper scraps and put them in the recycling bin. It's like a puzzle. Find all the pieces and put them in the right spot. Now, let's tackle the table. Wipe off any glue or paint spills with a damp cloth to make it sparkle. Finally, let's organize your craft supplies. Put your scissors, ribbons, and other materials back in their boxes or drawers. It's like finding a perfect home for everything. Remember, cleaning up after arts and craft time can be fun, and it makes your space ready for the next creative project. Great job, everyone! Keep it tidy, and see you next time on Wally's Adventures.